everyone, and welcome back to another vlog on this channel. It's been a while since I've posted because I haven't really done anything new or exciting, and that's kind of the only time I like to post on this channel is when I do something new or exciting or go somewhere. And as you can see, I'm currently in Costa Rica. I just filmed everything that you're about to see, the entire vlog, you know, the whole trip and everything. Our trip is finally winding down, coming to an end, so I figured I would throw this all together for you so you can see what we did. We went ziplining, we went hiking through the jungle, the rainforest, and like saw tons of cool stuff. Lots of crazy things happened, and I cannot wait for you guys to see it. I hope you enjoy. All right, we just got off the plane. We're at the airport, and we literally walked off the plane. I've never like walked off the plane onto like the tarmac before. Usually you like walk off the plane and you're in the airport. It's kind of cool. It's a long line. All right, we just got to our first hotel. There's like monkeys, you can hear them in the trees and stuff. That's cool. Nice little view. Alright, cute little place. Oh, the view is really nice. Oh my. Look at that.
Get up.
It's a little puppy. Hey, hey buddy. Their pina coladas here are delicious. Very delicious. I can't wait to try the food.
Yup.
Delicious. Breakfast time. Delicious. Oh, it's so cool. Look at this. Trying to find our room. Ooh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, the volcano's right outside the building.
Did you plan that?
Outside the window.
Hey, it worked out pretty well. Views are great.
Look at the towel.
That is cool. Look at that volcano. Sheesh. Nice. Going on a hike.
Come here. Come and say hi. Let me pet you. Let me rub your belly. Let me rub your belly. He's like, feed me? No?
It's a dense forest. Going down a steep area right here. Woo! We hear the waterfall somewhere over here. Oh, here it is. Oh. Oh. That is cool. Step up here. Terrain is a little rough down here. Woo. Feels nice though, you can feel the mist. Woo. Whew. All right, yep, so it started pouring right as we got to the waterfall. So we got our rain jackets on and we're going through the pouring rain now. Shoes are getting wet, but it's okay, it's fine. They don't call it a rainforest for nothing. It's pretty rainy. It just comes out of nowhere and just starts pouring on you. Getting my camera all wet. Woo. Trying to keep it dry, but it's not working. Oh my. I'm gonna climb this tower right here. Oh, it's right above the trees.
Forest. Maybe we'll see the water. Actually clearing by the water there. Come out, Bradley?
8-person maximum capacity.
Really coming up? Let's go up quick. Yeah.
Woo! All right, time to climb. Oh boy.
Because I don't want someone to grab you.
Max 8
Get down and
persons.
get you. So. Oh wow.
Whew!
This is awesome.
Oh man.
Welcome to the nest.
Wow. That's usually what it looks like when it's clear. Little cloudy today. Oh, that's cool. Wow. Being above all the trees. Wow. It's like we're flying.
They were on vacation and they were walking to the hot springs. So what is
I
that?
think they're no.
There's a lot of lobster right there.
Vegetables.
We drove into town this morning and we're about to go shopping and stuff, but it's been raining non-stop since we woke up. We got our coffee. But yeah, they're going to the bathroom right now. It's just been cloudy and rainy the whole time. It's just wet everywhere, all the time. Thankfully I have my rain jacket though. Got a little hat. Lots of cool little shops around here. Yum. Yep, still raining. Still raining. Non-stop all day. It never ends. Another wet hike through the rain. Whew. We're going to a hanging bridge. Oh. Donta Bridge, height 48 feet, length 180 feet. Precaution for your safety. 5 persons only, no running, no jumping. Woo. Whoa. It's wobbly. Oh, the river down there. Whoa. This is cool. Found a eucalyptus tree. Ooh. So colorful. Wow. Oh, look. More water. Wow. Wetness everywhere.
Hi, cow. Hi, cow. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing?
The rain finally stopped. Let's go. cool little area. This trail looks kind of cool. Wish the visibility was better so you could actually see the volcano, but can't really see much. It's all covered with clouds. Now we're going right into the rainforest. Just surrounded by rainforest everywhere. You can hear all the birds and stuff. It's kind of cool. Nature is loud. You hear that? Oh my. There's a stream crossing the path here. What the? Alright.
We'll admire and then we have to dodge some rocks.
Okay, buddy.
Yeah.
Okay. So I just like make a jump? Make a jump?
Oh my god, you're gonna try and balance. Oh
Woo!
Get the camera rolling if you fall, it's a memory.
It's not the most stable rock in the world. Woo! 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 Yep. I didn't fall, for the record. I did not fall. Yeah, my shoes got a little wet. It's not the most dry terrain in the world. Oh gosh, that is muddy. That is muddy, mucky grossness. Oh, oh gosh. Ugh. Disgusting mushiness. Ugh. Yep, got a little mud on the shoes. Woo! Woo, woo, woo. Oh. That's pretty cool. I like that. Oh, sorry. This is the terrain I was expecting to see, just rocks and mud and oh yeah, through the jungle. And up here, oh, whew. This is a little slick, a little slippery. Whoa. Whoa. I don't even trust myself to stand up. I'm leaning on this log because it's very slippery. Wow. Actually, I think I could stand over there. I just walk. Oh. Okay, I'm good. Whew. More cows. Another bridge. Whew. Pretty cool.
Left side's good.
What is this place called?
Cloud Forest.
Cloud Forest Lodge. Super high in the mountains.
I think so, yeah.
Ooh. Oh, this view is crazy. Look at this. What? Oh, little hummingbirds.
They're here, guys.
Wow.
Oh my god.
That is cool. Yummy. Yummy. Delicious. Wow. Nice view. Ooh.
Oh, look at it. You guys get your own bed.
Oh, nice. Oh, wow. It's a.
View of the woods.
Ooh. Nice. Right by
in the forest.
nature. About to go ziplining. Getting all geared up. Got all the gear on. Ready to go. Alright, we're about to start on the little baby one. We got these gloves to like break, because apparently you have to hold on to the line with these gloves, and then you like use the gloves to break. I'm not going to be able to record the first few of them because we have to use both hands, but then once we get to the Superman one where we're like basically have our hands out, then I can record that one. If I had an attachment, I could attach it to my helmet, but I do not have the attachment for that, so I'm gonna have to wait until I can hold it in my hand. We did a couple baby ones, and then we walked across that little bridge right there. It was very shaky. This is the next one we're doing. Okay, we just did a bunch of small ones, and then we did a rappel where it drops you down to that trampoline. Now we're gonna do a really, really long one. This one, you can't even see the end of it. It goes very far. I'll try and get this person filmed. Oh, wow. Oh my god. It's so cloudy, it literally just looks like it's going straight into the clouds and then it just disappears. It's actually pretty terrifying, I'm not gonna lie.
Remember, always look, come back, and always survive.
I did.
Only if you see the signal, a little braking. But don't worry because at the end they brake.
Oh my god. Is this the Superman one?
No.
Thank you so much.
Oh my god.
Wish me luck. Alright, we're on the way to the Superman. This is cool. Gotta hike our way there.
At the end, head down, okay? Okay, negro con blanco. Ready?
Yep.
Good luck.
Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, baby! Woo! I'm flying, baby! I'm flying! Let's go! Woohoo! Oh boy! Holy whoa! Whoa! Wah! This is crazy! This is crazy! This is actually so crazy! What? Oh my god! Woo-wee! Oh boy! Oh boy! Oh, that's sketchy! Oh god!
Hold the wire, please. Hola. Hold the wire. Good. Stand up.
Thank you.
Wanna wait for someone?
Yeah.
Yeah. Te bendice esta. Tu indiquemos.
Oh, thank you. That was crazy. That was actually so crazy. She's flying. Oh. How was that? That's scary. When all you can see is like trees going by you, you're like, am I gonna stop? Yeah, like when it stops, it's like, doom. Oh, that speed is crazy. You're just like zooming like an airplane. Just like.
That's so cool.
That's such a different feeling than skydiving. That is like very different.
Keep my head down, like pulling you down.
Oh yeah. I had it up a little bit and then I regretted it. I was like, oh.
Yeah.
Head down, head down.
Like you got shot.
It was like a bah!
Oh, keep going.
That was cool. Yeah, like it's like getting shot. Because you're like, all you see is trees rushing by you. You're like, I'm going really fast right now. Yeah, you gotta. I had my head up a tiny bit. It like snaps you, like. There you go. She did it.
She had to get a signal.
Pro, she's a pro.
It literally.
Get your thing, Sheila. Thank you. Awesome. Thanks, guys.
I'm so scared.
It feels like you're an airplane. You're just like.
Oh, my heart.
Oh, got another one. Oh boy. Is this another Superman?
Yep.
Yeah, back and forth.
Oh. All right. Woohoo! Oh yeah. Oh boy. Oh. Ah! Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh. I'm flying. So high in the air. Oh my goodness. I'm hundreds of feet in the air. Ah! Ah! Woo! I see a rainbow. Hello, rainbow. Oh my, am I gonna slow down, bro? Oh my goodness, I don't know. Ah!
Hola. Go with my partner. You want a Tarzan swing?
Sure.
Sure. Okay.
I just did the Tarzan swing where they literally just drop you. Like you just jump and you swing like 7,500 feet, something like that. And you're just like free falling. Hello.
Hola.
And oh my goodness, that was insane. It's like skydiving, but you don't have a parachute. You just have a cord. And I've never been like bungee jumping before. So that's my first time jumping off of something into a free fall when the only thing attached to you is a cord. I love anything that gives me adrenaline. Skydiving, ziplining, anything. Injected in my veins. Oh. All right, we made it back to the lodge. Now we're just going on a little hike around our little site. They have a ton of little trails around here. You can walk around. Or bubbles.
Thank you.
Ooh. Delicious. We just got to El Tigre waterfall area and we're about to go on this hike. It starts over here and it's a very long, like 6-mile hike outside, but it's like really windy and rainy right now, so the weather's gonna be a little bit rough. But it's a cool little area here. They got like food and stuff. Trail start. And here we go. Supposedly it takes like 2.5 to 3 hours to get through this whole trail, but it's supposedly the best trail in Monteverde. So it should be cool. Okay, yeah, it's a little muddy. Little muddy. Oh gosh. Whew. It looks pretty cool so far though. There's our first waterfall over there. We're getting closer to it. The bridge up here, you can only go one at a time, and they're going across. Woo! A little shaky. That's cool. Wow. It's a lot more stable than I thought it would be though. Got another bridge, another waterfall over there. Oh wow. Look at this. Woo! Oh, there's another little bridge down there. Wow. We are in a thick forest right now. Look how tall the trees go. Woo! Oh, that's cool. Little stream. Woo. All the way over there. Woo. They're walking over here. I'm gonna go over to this viewpoint. Oh, that's a lot of mud. Oh gosh. Oh. Woo. Oh yeah. That's cool. Wow. That is a big waterfall right there. That's probably like what? 60, 70 feet? Sheesh. Now we're going down towards the bottom. We're like going down here. Ooh. Okay, I gotta be careful. It is very muddy and slippery. Woo. Oh, that's a cool shot right there though. Look at that. Woo, woo, woo. Okay. Oh wow. You can walk over here. We can walk over here. There's another waterfall right here. Oh, this is sick. Look at that. What? This is so gorgeous. Oh, my camera's getting wet because of all the waterfalls. Oh my. Wow. This is a cool hike. Oh wow. All right, we got another walking bridge to go on over this river. Oh, they're stopping to take pictures, even though there's lots of people waiting for this bridge. Okay. All right, can I go? Okay, yeah, it's one at a time. They don't want several people on these bridges because that would be bad. Woo! Oh yeah, this one's a little bit more shaky. Oh, yeah. Oh my goodness, whoa. Okay, this one's wobbly. A little bit wobbly. Okay, it's fine. It's okay. Whew. There we go. Coming up on our next waterfall here. Woo. Oh yeah. A little resting spot. Oh, that's cool. Wow. The constant rainfall just adds to the rainforest atmosphere, you know? It also helps keep you cool because there's like a breeze, and then you're getting misted with like water all the time. It's like, it's kind of nice. My shoes weren't made for this. Whew. Okay. Okay. Ah. Okay, how do I... Not bad. It's not that bad. Ooh. Woo. Let me just go over here. Yep. Oh, we gotta go across the bridge. Yeah. Oh wow, this is like a... Oh boy. Whew. Okay. You step on there, and then here, and then here, and then here. Woo! I did it! Let's go! Oh. Yeah, this is probably the coolest hike I've ever been on. Just like the amount of terrain, the cool bridges, the waterfalls, the weather being as nice as it is, just like a misting sun. Oh. Look at that. Wow. This is cool. So many bridges on this hike, like literally every like 2 minutes we run into a new bridge. That is wild. It's so fun just going across all the rivers and streams, and like, I don't know, that is so cool. Oh, and there's a waterfall on the end. Bro, what? River, another waterfall over there. Oh, this one feels a lot less safe. Some of them feel really sturdy, and some of them are like, I don't know. Ooh. Oh, and another bridge. Look at that. Wow. Bridge, bridge, waterfall way up there. And now stairs. Lots and lots of stairs. Coming up on another really big waterfall over here. This one. Woo! Let me be careful where I step here. Oh boy. This one looks cool. Oh gosh. Oh. Look at this. Woo! Oh my. Oh. That is cool. You can like walk up right next to the waterfall. Like right over here. Woo! That is cool. Standing like right next to it. Oh. Woo. Whoa. Oh, that's cool. This is a skinny bridge. The skinnier it is, the more shaky it is. Ah. Woo. There's a little path down to the stream down here. Ooh. Oh, this is cool. Oops. Oh, wow. You can see the bridge. Another little area over here. I made it all the way over here. It's like I'm in the middle of nowhere right now. Whoa. Okay, they told me this one was really, really wobbly, so I'm gonna try and film it while I walk, but oh, okay, okay. This is the sketchiest one yet. This is, oh my. Oh my. It's like each step you like step downward and it shakes. Oh no. Oh. Nope. I don't like that. We're not doing it, but they have zipline biking. You can like ride a bicycle on a zip line. No thank you. There's an old hanging bridge over here that they used to use, but it's like torn down. It's like, I don't know if you can see it on the vlog. It is not for use anymore. Oh wow, that is...
I can't get it. Where is it?
Whew. That is cool right there. Wow. A little stream. It's like a cave or something down there. Wow. Huh. That's crazy, all the trees falling down. Whew. Oh. Wow. Oh. That is a lot. Wow, that big tree there just... I feel like we've been climbing upward for so long that we can't possibly get any higher, and yet we still just keep going higher and higher. Oh, it's been like 20 minutes straight of just uphill steps. But to be fair, the first 20 minutes of the hike was like down, so I guess it makes sense. Doesn't mean I have to like it. We finally made it out of the forest, out of the tree area. Now we're like in this big opening at the top of the hill. It's kind of cool up here. Still all misty. Oh, there's poop. Don't step in the poop. There's poop. Okay, after like 30 to 40 minutes of going uphill, I think the uphill is finally done. Maybe. Hopefully. Whew, man, what a hike. Just kidding. The uphill is not done. There's still more. Oh gosh. Kind of slippery. Oh boy. We just went through a very muddy area. Very, very muddy. And my shoes, they're really good hiking shoes, but they're not meant for 2 inches, 3 inches thick of mud. So they were clean when I started this hike. They're a little dirty now. I think we did it. We finally did it. We're back at the start. Start is right up here. Whew, that was intense. It's really windy. I can't even keep my hood down. But the views, it's pretty cool up here. It's like you're in the clouds because you're so high up. There's the lodge up there. We just gotta hike up this little bit of hill here. Look at that. That's where we were. Bunch of trees. You can also choose to ride horseback for the last little bit of it, but it's like 30 bucks a person. We just hiked back. Oh. They have a little kitty here. Meow. Oh, he's so cute. Just curled up in a little ball sleeping. we got to the Rio. The all-inclusive resort. Oh my. This place looks really nice. It's like right on the ocean. You can just walk up right to the ocean over here. Alright, well, it's the next day and we've kind of just been chilling and relaxing by the pool and getting lots of drinks and going to the buffet, getting food. There's coffee in the mornings. They can make you nice coffee. So we've been getting just a lot of everything. Basically anything you could want. They have some version of it here. My GoPro broke. I can't really show you, but the little handle that I use to hold this and make all my vlogs is broken now. So I'm gonna have to get either a new handle or just a new GoPro for my next vlog. But yeah, I think what I'm gonna do now is just go back to the room and upload all of this footage and edit it together and then post it now so we can see the footage, because there's really not much else to see on this vacation. From here on out, we're here for another day and a half, but it's just gonna be relaxing and that's not really super exciting vlog footage. So yeah, that's a wrap on the Costa Rica vacation. I am gonna get a tattoo tomorrow, but you don't really need to see that. That was in the last Aruba vlog that I did. I got this dragon tattoo there. I'm getting like a palm tree one tomorrow. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed and catch you in the next vlog. Peace.